beautiful Friday morning. Just talking about you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that your stinger? Yeah. The fast? Yeah.
What's the quarter mile time?
Say they're fast.
13.5.
I have no idea.
2019 Kia Stinger GT.
Yep.
Quarter mile time 11.7.
Woo! That is fast. Are you pinning it?
To the gutter pan,
Yeah.
not the asphalt.
To the asphalt.
Yeah.
Right.
Get a mat in there, probably 2 foot on center.
Okay.
Back
We got a
that up
gen.
over here. Get that
Oh.
generator.
I said there's outlets in that room right
In
there.
that room right there? Okay.
Yeah, you can just poke through that hole and there's an outlet. Right
That's what I'll do. I like to go above and beyond when I could just bull float it twice and broom it. No. Well, actually, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do. Just gonna make sure to do a good job. Good job. I really wish we had the concrete. I'm so jealous whenever I see those concrete trucks that pour from the front, where the driver does it. Dude, I wish. I'll take these. It's a little warming up a bit. I think it's supposed to be 80 today. Just in the winter mindset, so I stay dressed winter as much as I can, but it's hot. I'm hot. I need a string line real quick. Shouldn't have filled this all back in. I need the string line. ...2019 Stinger GT. Look at the Brembo brakes.
Huh?
We got the Brembo brakes.
Yeah. I'm just... I mean, the gold kind of ground on me a little bit.
I'm fine with it. I don't hate it.
Black, I think.
Twin turbo. I didn't know that. Oh, you guys better not say, oh, it was your helper that did. Okay, well, I taught him then, so it's still me. Still me then. Spent months training that guy how to do concrete. And he was a pretty fast learner, so he doesn't, I don't know how much he's done recently, so we'll see if he's getting a little rusty, but nah, he good. Look at this ugly thing. I need to bring my saws on in. How does that look? That's good too? For real? Wow. All right. Wow, good job. I wasn't expecting it to actually be perfect. All right, it's time to switch up everything. Tang. It's too hot. What's up? How's it going? Just another day in paradise.
Always.
Hey, go ahead and put 20 on it. You might want to stand on this. Yeah, we'll roll with that. Got a rake at the same time. Come on, B, leave me alone. Yeah, make sure there's enough up here first. Oh. Mag side a little bit. Oh, it might be still too low. Oh, we'll go very far. We'll clean it up later. All right, driver. You got your side. Make it easy on me. If I had my sweatshirt off, I wouldn't mind. Oh, you can stay. You could have stayed outside. Oh, that's good. Ready? Kick screeding is a good skill to have. All right, my side. You have to walk in it. Yeah. Yep, that's just like that. Yeah, let's come back a little bit. Oh, crazy. See. A little hazy. It looks like it's gonna screed. It looks like we have more, like probably half a wear barrel too much. So I want to send them off, but I want to screed a little bit so they can make sure. Oh, a little higher. Yeah. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you. You know how to bull float, right? No. Okay. I forgot. I couldn't remember.
I tried it. I tried it once, and then you came over and asked what the fuck I did.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Try it.
No, that's all right. No.
Just asking what the fuck.
I did that to Marcel. He was so mad. You know, he yelled at me one day.
Really?
Yeah, screamed at the top of behind the gas station, like, and he was saying stuff like, "You wouldn't talk to Logan like that," or whatever, about that same exact thing. I came over and he was doing the edges, and I was like, "What the fuck is that?" or whatever. And I was like, "Yeah, dude, I would." Well, first of all, he's not my guy, dude. He was over here helping me. First of all, second of all, yes, I did. So I'm nice to you. I don't know what you're talking about. He's like, "You're mean, you're an asshole," and all this. I'm like, "Yeah, I'm a nice asshole though." grab a little board to screed it off. I definitely, let me get a board. I have a little 2-foot, but it's probably about perfect for what I need.
So we were doing an Emperor, what was it, Thursday? No. Thursday, maybe? It was supposed to come at 5-ish, so I think it maybe came at 2.
Oh yeah, they do that all the time.
So wet, we had to wait like 2 hours to even try to build it up.
No, two means it's tighter. So it came out like an 8-inch slump, like super wet.
I thought it was up.
Yeah, they do that sometimes, and they do it the opposite to me. They send it at like a 0-inch slump, where you could like pour walls with this stuff, like the crazy.
That's what we needed. It came so wet, we had to wait like 2 hours.
Yeah, you could have rejected it
Yeah.
because of its strength and all that kind of stuff. That's usually an automatic rejectal. Way too wet. Oh shoot, I need to adjust the angle, I guess, if we're gonna do it. We got the other bull float.
Damn, Charlie, you look good. If I call you by a random name, it's just because that's what me and my roommate do.
My what name?
Just a random ass.
Oh, random name.
That's why I called you Charlie.
It's looking good, Ben.
Trying to loosen that up.
On, yeah, but it's like been years.
Caked in there.
I might just use the other bull float this time. I like this bull float better because it's so old and has a bow to it, so it doesn't leave lines and shit. You can grab the other bull float.
Time to get a drink, don't I?
Oh yeah, we're doing great. Oh, I don't like grabbing this bull float, but today I have to because of the way that this is all playing out. Oh, y'all thought I didn't have a bull float like this. Oh, okay. I'm wondering why he doesn't use that. He probably doesn't know about it. He probably just doesn't know about it. Oh, did you hear that in the other video? He made an excuse that he likes that one better. Yeah, right. He just learned about it. I can just hear all these dumb thoughts. What? Still putting a lot of down pressure on it. Flat, flat, flush, flat, flat, flush. I'm the flat flush robot. Broom it, let's get out of here.
Fuck it.
Can't see it from my house. And then
Leave it as is.
do that and then be like, now what you got to say about the quality now, mother. Now I'm doing some grade A work out here. How can you, you want to help me?
What do you want to do?
Try to get a bow in this, just a little one. So let's just get start a little bit, see where we're at.
I think that has a bow in it.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit too much?
Oh my god, dude, you're so big. Alright, hold on. Alright. So this is the droids we're looking for. That should do it right there. Wind's flowing. I don't know what's taking so damn long. There's so many mud that's so inconsistent. I'm like, what the f. Yep, we're good.
Good to go?
Yep. You probably come right behind me, and then I'll come right behind you with the mag. Do you want to edge or mag? Well, the edging, this part, what I'm doing real quick, you see how it's all flat and flush? Because it's a little high, so I'm going to keep going down and make sure it's flat and flush so then I can run the edger easy and then wipe it out after that. So you do want to open the edges first, but a lot of times what you can do is steel cream first before opening the edge, especially in a spot that you see that's rougher. You know, this is so good. This is a situation where you really wouldn't want to do that. You just open it up and then you start coming back and then you seal the cream like in my usual videos. But a lot of times when you're pouring tighter mud, not wetter mud like this, that, you know, you see everyone else pour, that's why it's so easy. Then when you're pouring tight mud, you might want to seal some cream first before opening it up, so that when you open it up, you're already got the cream kind of in where you need it. It always depends on the concrete. So because we're magging it so well first, I won't be doing that, but I wanted to run over that real quick. A lot of times on this tighter mud you see me pour, you're gonna see me do that first, seal mud and then open the edge up with the stolen mud. And back here it's more I'm taking stuff away from it. Different scenario, not putting stuff in, I'm taking it away. I hardly ever take cream and go throw it out, but this right here is a little too high and it's gonna show. And if you find a high spot or a low spot, you might want to reach out and either push it out. Here, let me see that mag real quick. Because this spot right here is a little high. Just kind of feather it out. And then on the ones that are low, a little bit right here, opposite. The goal, that's the goal. I'll go crazy on you, crazy on you. My daughter loves that song. And where the asphalt dips down, you can actually leave it a little high. Told you that a little late, but this spot, there's one over there, and then the one by the little sewer drain. You can leave it a tiny bit high. Yeah, but they already did this one, so that, yeah, right there, and then by the sewer drain. Going too fast for me. Oh, what a good helper. What a good helper. Man, you're making me put my try-hard pants on. Oh, your diet, bro. You must be your diet, right? Yeah, good job leaving this high. That's good. That's good.
Another good over here, this edge. Good enough for you guys?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me by. I got better things to do with my time. I don't care anymore. Don't care anymore. I don't care what you say. Never meant much to me anyway. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good. It would have been nice if I had a bow in this bull float to begin with. So I'd have to knock all these lines out, you know what I mean? We do got to edge around that drain though. I'll do it, I was just saying. Boop. So keep watching, we'll see. Is that good enough, boss? You didn't say yes. No. Good. I don't understand how quality control for the concrete, all the customers and just everyone says it looks great, but there's like a couple people in the comments that are like, that finish sucks or whatever. It's like, what are you talking about? Not at all. I think they're just because they know I'm gonna come at them. And yeah, I will. I'm not into that don't say nothing, don't feed them or whatever. Oh, I love it. Bring it on. I get the same amount of sleep every night. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this one again. You drop me like in the middle of the, no, almost more to the right. Yeah, more to the right this way. Yeah, like right there. Try that. This broom is kind of new, so. Yeah, it's kind of like stringy. It's all good. Way over here in the, sorry, way over here. More, less. Yeah, sure. Good. Yeah, and then, yeah, you're on top of it. You are on top of it. Oh yeah, if we got to do it victory style, we got to say easy money on the last broom. That's what they do. Or we're gonna be like Mike Day and say thanks for watching in like a New York accent. If this is a driveway, that's why if you see most everyone trowel driveways, and if they're using mags and floats only, they crawl it. You have to crawl it, you can't just float it. But you watch Victory do parking lots, they don't crawl it, they do the same thing we do. We're not doing anything different. All right. I've been the only one touching it. I want to buy a compactor, but more than that, you know, a power screed would make this so easy. I still want them to get a power screed, but haven't done it yet. I didn't even spray them off this time. I love these boots. I couldn't even tell I was in the concrete with them hardly. The fans a little bit. I bought an adjustable tip for it. Yeah. Like $4 on Amazon. Way better. All nice things people say. Oh, nice of you. Logan's amazing. Look, I want to take a break and he just keeps on working. He's always kept me honest, I'm telling you. That's not just, he's not just doing that. Like, no, he's the real deal. I hope he makes like at least $22 an hour. I hope he makes at least $25 an hour. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. And another one's gone. And another one's gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, yeah, I wanna get you too. Another one bites the dust. Another one bites the dust. Thanks for the help, man. It's been a while since I had help. I poured one the other day with, that was 20 yards, twice. It wasn't really twice the size because it was thicker, but I had wet screeds. I had to put a grade pin in the middle and do all these wet screeds and everything. No help. Super when it was like 25 miles per hour winds the whole fucking day. And I poured 4-inch slump, nothing wet. I did the real deal. I made a how to pour slab video, and then I did it by myself. Well, you know, with the trainee, but all he did is mess things up, if anything, you know. He helped me screed a tiny bit. That's the only way in which he helped. I had him bull float, he messed up, you know, of course. And so, you know, I didn't even let him edge because I knew if I did, I'd have to, yeah, I wouldn't be able to do it. It was fun. So that was like a mini version of that. And with you here, it was like, man, it was nice and easy. So everything's strapped. I like it. Cool. All right, man. See you on the next time. I'm sure I'll be seeing you again now because I have no help. So
Have a good weekend, man.
yeah, you too. Don't have too much fun. Do not wreck that car. I don't want you to come in and be like, no, don't do it, bro.